You know the value of zero.
Nakakatakot
925,
Nakakatakot yung mga pinagsasabi nito.
Bakit?
Wala, iba din.
925.
Oh, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah,
How come you're not sure?
I'm not sure.
Where's your girlfriend?
And there.
In there?
In there.
audience?
How about out there?
What's her name?
There.
Ah, look over there, Mrs.
Asan?
Mrs.
Ayun!
Harden. Mrs. Harden.
Patingin!
is over there. Ay! Oh, hello!
Ah, grabe. Ito pala yung girlfriend. Oh, kaya pala parehong nasira ang buhay, no? Nung nagsama sila. Come here.
Come here, Mrs.
I
Harden.
want to talk to you also.
Let's go.
Na girlfriend. Kausapin natin yung girlfriend na yan.
Grabe. Full support naman. Oo, ha?
Grabe. Madlang people, sa puntong ito ay napatunayan natin
Oo.
na kahit tik-tik ay umiibig din.
Hindi yung tik-tik!
Ang tare. Yung ngipin na yun na nakabutas sa maraming yero. Oh! Oh!
Oh, how
Bumarap
sweet.
ka. Oh, diba? What's her name? Tita. Si Tita Ruby.
Hello.
What's her name?
Queen Fiona.
Ha?
Queen Fiona
Queen
from
Fiona.
San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes! Uy, taga San Fernando.
Grabe. Oh.
Si Queen
Ilang
Fiona.
bubong na ang nabutas mo?
Marami.
Marami nakakabutas. Di ba yung mga tik-tik dila ang lumapasok?
Yes,
Ngipin talaga. yung mga ganun.
ngipin.
Oo. Grabe. So,
Buti nakalabas
How
siya.
long have you guys been together, Queen Fiona and
Yeah.
James Harden?
Yeah.
Ba't ka
sumagot ka. Ano ka ba? Yung ngipin mo may wifi. Dapat kasi nare-research mo.
May signal naman
Yung ngipin niya yung may wifi. Yung kabila may Bluetooth. Oo.
2 in 1.
Oh, so, how long have you been together?
6, 7?
I don't know.
But he told us that you are the love of his life. So, Harden, come on, tell us, how long have you been together?
I don't know there.
You told us she was the love of your life. That's why we called her.
You made turo there eh.
Yeah. She's your
And
girlfriend.
you did like that, or you did like that. It's like you want to propose.
Hi.
If you are going to propose,
Propose.
how will you
Hi.
do it?
Yeah.
Let's go, Harden.
Oh!
Parang shooting guard pa rin
Hindi mo pa
talaga.
ganyan puro mukhang nabibili sa Chendesitas to eh. Okay, so how are you going to propose?
Queen Fiona.
What are you gonna say?
What are you going
What's your name?
Magpro-propose.
Fiona nga.
My name is Queen Fiona.
Who's your dentist? Come.
Where's your dentist?
So, which is better?
Which is-
Toothpick or dental floss?
Which is better, toothpick and dental floss?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. But is she beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is she handsome?
Ito naman.
Laki
Eh, gusto nga sa'yo eh.
Oo, pero tandaan mo, yung huling hinalakan mo, hanggang ngayon may singaw pa. Hanggang ngayon may singaw pa yung hinalikan niya. Nagbababad pa ng tawas.
Si Queen Fiona.
Do you find him hot? Because he thinks you're beautiful. How about him? Do you find him hot? Is he hot? Is he hot?
Yes.
Yeah, he's hot. Is he your type? He's your type?
No.
Oh, you're not her type. Oh, does it hurt?
Oh, hurt. So who is your type? What is your type? Ha? Ay, Darren pala eh.
Who is better looking, you or Darren?
Darren.
Patay ka.
Kami pala ang magmi-meet ni Queen Fiona. Nice to meet
Queen
you.
Fiona. Kinikilig yung fans nyo, oh.
Why don't you fight for her?
My babes. She's Darren.
Ba't ako pinakilala?
Eh, ikaw nga daw ang bet, Darren.
Oo
Kaya
nga.
nagko-concede na nagpaparaya na binibigyan niya
Paparaya,
si Fiona.
oo.
Fiona, crush mo ba si Darren?
Go ahead.
Oh!
talaga eh.
Wide. Diyos ko, ibang talent ito. Nakakasira ito ng straw.
Paano?
Nakakabara ng straw yan.
Ganun. Ang grabe naman pala ng talent.
Yeah.
Ibang talent.
Fiona si Darren.
Nice to meet you, Queen Fiona.
Ah!
Gusto mo hug kay Darren? Gusto mo hug?
Yes, yes. Baka sa akin!